Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lyrics. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Stick With Me by the Killer Roy. Track second on the album on the first time. Felix Bergen, producers Khalid Rohan and Dopamine. This song released on 9th August 2024. Once again I say welcome back if you're a new viewer and old viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Link of my website gillyrics.com. If you want to read this lyrics, you can see in description. Visit my website gillyrics.com. About this song, Genius Salutation, one contributor, same time is an unreleased song in which the Killer Roy expresses his grievances over an imbalanced relationship, a relationship where he puts in more effort than by his mentally abusive partner. This song was first previewed on the Killer Roy's Instagram story in 2020.